Rancho Seco Nuclear Power Station is owned by SMUD, the Sacramento Municipal Utility District, and was closed in 1989. It was soon developed into a 400-acre park overflowing with recreational opportunities, including camping, hiking, fishing, and swimming. This park is only 25 miles from downtown Sacramento and is perfect for a daily retreat or a weekend getaway. The campground features 18 RV sites, 32 tent sites, and 2 group sites. Our personal favorites are sites 1 through 6. In these sites, you sit around the corner from the tent area and the day use, so it's nice and quiet. This time we were in Site 4 with a great view of the lake. It was great just to walk to the lake and sit in this chair as I drank my coffee and watched the sunrise. Rancho Seco Lake is a 160-acre lake that is fed by the Folsom South Canal and is stocked with trout year-round. It is perfect for paddleboarding, kayaking, or fishing. Electric boats are okay, but no gas-powered boats. Saturday morning, we set out to explore the lake by kayak. On the far side of the lake, it was quiet and serene. It was fun to watch the dragonflies dancing on the water. There is a nice beach that you can swim from, and for the 4th of July weekend, it was packed. Available to rent are fishing boats, kayaks, paddle boards, and also pedal boats.